the next year.
And YouTube monetized you.
Yeah.
What's the most money you've made on YouTube?
50 to 60.
$60.
No.
One of my contents blew up.
Advice to upcoming YouTubers that want to become a full-time YouTuber.
Take content creation seriously.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how much YouTubers make in Nigeria. So I'm going to be interviewing some creators to know their journey and how they got monetized. Hello, my name is Sportsman. I'm here with
Favour Matthew.
Peace, Orishadipe, lower show.
Wow, that's nice.
Valerie. Hey, I'm Blue Onye.
You have a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
So what's your YouTube channel?
It's Blue Onye.
Blowing.
Yes.
How long have you been doing YouTube?
I want to know.
November 2023.
2023.
Yeah.
When did you get monetized?
3 months later.
How long have you been doing YouTube?
For 5 years. This year will be 5 years.
5 years.
Since 2020.
Wow, that's crazy.
Since last year, October.
Last year, October.
How?
Like January.
January.
Yeah.
3 months.
Of the next year.
And YouTube monetized you.
Yeah.
That's
One of my
crazy.
contents blew up.
Wow, that's like the first time I'm hearing someone getting monetized, because even me, I think I got monetized after 6 months. Are you on YouTube?
Yes, I am.
What's your channel name?
My channel's name is Conversation with Keith.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
nice.
my
So how long have you been doing YouTube?
Officially, I would say 2 years, but unofficially for like 4 years because I've been on and off.
You've been on and off.
Yeah, I've been struggling with
Yeah. Doing live problems and
Some people get monetized even 1 week.
1 week.
Yeah.
Wow. Just depends on your content.
Yeah, it depends on your content and you really don't know.
Yeah.
Are you monetized?
Not yet. This is actually my second channel, so I started from scratch. I lost access to the first one, so I'm starting all over.
The first one, was it monetized before you?
No, close, almost there.
What's the most you've made like in a month?
YouTube
Yeah, in a month.
in a month. I would say like 50 to 60.
$60.
No, 50 to 60,000
Thousand?
naira.
Just
I
from
don't
admin.
discuss financial.
Financial. Okay,
Yeah,
don't
I
worry,
don't.
guess your questions.
What's the most money you've made on YouTube? Or you have not made any?
Okay, I have not made any money from YouTube, but I've made money as a content creator and as a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yes, I've worked with organizations like the government, other brands. I've worked with people. I've worked with gyms, I've worked with a gym rather.
Can you give us like an estimate of how much like you've made, either maybe from brand deals, like in a month, the most amount of money you made like in a month
Okay.
from these brand deals and sponsorship?
I should say it here. Yes,
If you
so
want. No, it's-
anyway, I bought my phone through one of the brand deals I had, so I think that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
What advice would you give to upcoming YouTubers that want to become a full-time YouTuber in the future?
Okay.
I know it's kind of cliche saying consistency, you have to be consistent, but if you know you're not going to continue with it, it's better you don't just bother to start. And have a plan as you go into YouTube. Write it down, what the kind of content you want to create. It's okay if you don't have a niche when you start.
Yeah.
Later on, you can develop a niche. You can start by creating vlogs about your life, and then later on, slowly, you get the hang of it. So that's my advice for them.
To upcoming YouTubers, what advice do you have to them that plan on doing YouTube full time?
Take content creation seriously. You have to start taking it seriously. If you are not being thinking towards that direction before, then post that content.
For me, I'll be like, create content with a mission.
Okay.
Even if you're just starting, right? Any of your content should be going out because you want it to attract something. It could be what I said in my recent video.
Yeah.
You are either posting your content to convert to money, or to attract brands, or to bring more eyes to your content.
Yeah.
So
Clients,
don't be nonchalant when you are creating content. Create good content. Create content that even
Bring
you
the
can
value.
consume.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
No,
Okay,
yeah.
thanks for the video.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.